Guys, this is Folashade Nasir. So let's quickly go through how to use these apps. So I will just pick one or two of them, then I will edit, show you how to edit them, and then with the one I show you, you'll be able to work with almost all of them, except like one or two, which we are going to work on together too. So when you have a project you want to work on, maybe for yourself or for your client, what you have to do is just pick a template that is related to that niche where you want to work on. So pick the template, and then let's pick it. So once you click on the video, you for you to see what the video is made of. So let's just pause it. So when you're satisfied that okay, you want to use this particular template, just click on create video, and it will load up the editor. So you wait for the editor to load. It shouldn't take much time depending on the video. Just ignore this little boy. I decided to record this video at night, thinking that we'll have privacy, but boy has refused to sleep. So let's wait for the editor to load up. Okay, so the editor is up. Okay, still loading. Okay, now it's fully loaded. So this left side, it's your Canva. It's a work Canva where you see the things you are working on, how the changes are being made and all that. Then the left side is where you have the things you're going to edit. So for instance, if you want to change the picture, just click on select an image. Okay, so you click on browse, or if you already have the picture in your library on the app, you can select from there. But if not, just click on browse, and then you pick up the picture from your laptop. You won't see my desktop because my screen recorder will pick up my desktop. That's how I set it. So I'm the only one that will see the desktop here. So just pick up the picture you want to use, any of the picture that is related to what you are doing. You can always get stock images on splash.com, pexels.com, or pixabay.com, or just go to Google and type free where to get um, free stock images. You will see many websites. So when you are done, just click. Let me show you what I did just now. So when the picture you uploaded, excuse me, when the picture you uploaded from your computer is fully uploaded to the app, just click on the image. It will show it. You can crop it if you want to crop, or you just choose it and then put it in your work. So it's already uploaded to my Canva now. So and then you edit your text to suit what you want, what you are working on. So you have to be mindful of this particular number. I don't know why my cursor is not showing. So be mindful of the number. This 20/30. It means that 30 is the highest number of character that you can have inside this box. Once it gets to 30, it will show you red. It means you can't type any other word, any other letter there again. So you have to be sure that everything you want to type must fit into that 30 character. So when you are done and satisfied, just click on next. So the next will bring up this the second scene in the video. So you did exactly what we did earlier. Just pick up the picture, select an image, pick the picture you want to use from your laptop, edit the text, and then click on next. That's how you do for all the scenes. Let's wait for this to load up so that you can see how the picture looks. Okay. So once it loads, select image, edit your text, and then next. If you think you want to change something on the previous scene, just click on previous. Or once you are satisfied with what you are working on, click on next. Then this place you just put in your logo, then what we want them to do, call to action. Oh, okay, I thought I saw one call to action there. Okay, so you just click on the image and then edit the text as usual, and then okay. So this is where you put in your logo, your call to action, and then your website if you want them to, if it's website you want them to go, or if it's your phone number you want to put, or your email address. So I should just edit and then put it there, then you click on next. So this is where we choose the color we want the video to have. So I believe the people you'll be working for, maybe your clients, so it means you have to get their brand color if they have. So this is where the color comes into play. So you just click any of the colors you want to use, then you click on next. Okay, so this way this is where we choose the background music we want the video to have. Is it background music or voiceover, whichever one. For to use voiceover, what you have to do is just click on upload your own, and then you must have recorded the voiceover. Maybe I think there are softwares online that does voiceover. I can't remember any name now, but if you check on Google for voiceover recorders, I think you should be able to see one or two that you can use if you want to use voiceover. So once you have your script, just paste the script inside the software to convert it to voiceover for you. So when you download the voiceover, you can easily upload it there, then you use it. Or if you want to use a music, you can just pick it up from the library. They have tons of them. So you just scroll down, and you can just listen to the beat and see if it's actually rhyme with what you are working on. Then if it's okay, just click on the plus sign to be added to the background music will be added to your video. You can actually download these background music too, if you want to use them, or maybe another video software or something else. So you can download them and save them to your computer. So once you choose your preferred music, you just click on next, and yeah. So the video is ready for rendering. When you are done satisfied with the changes you make, just start rendering. So it should take a while for the render to complete, depending on the speed of your internet, of course. So okay, so while that was doing, I have some completed projects here already. So when it's completed, you see that it change from red, and you can always edit if you think there is something you want to add, or you think there is a mistake. Just click on, like, you go take it back to the work canvas where you can edit them and then render it again. But if you think you are satisfied with all you have done, just click on the video that is complete, and then click on download, then save it to your laptop. That's all. See how easy it is to use the app. And so once you download, send it to your clients or use it for your work. Okay, that's just how to use it. Just to use like to how to use the app. So I'll just quickly go through how to use um the custom video effects, which is entirely different from all of them. It's the one that has a different layout from them. This one is so let's okay. Let me just pause this. Then we go to let me end this one so that I can just quickly go through the other one. This is the custom video effect. See you in the next video, guys.